SoftServe was the first Eastern European company to start offering customers a full SaaS cloud application management cycle. The value of our unique service offerings is an end-to-end application management solution that covers everything, from software design to state-of-the-art operation support services. In 2009, we focused our efforts on new direction for development operations. We defined a new DevOps process, methodology, and in some cases even technology that bridges cloud application and cloud infrastructure. Our distinctive approach allows IT organizations to deliver their cloud products with the highest speed to their markets while assuring the best quality possible. Today, SoftServe has more than 100 of highly skilled DevOps professionals, system engineers, configuration managers, and cloud operation experts. They manage systems of more than 20,000 computing nodes in total, thus daily processing over 100 terabytes of traffic. They keep those systems up and running 24 hours a day, 365 days a year without a single hitch, which is a miraculous achievement. SoftServe is an active member of DevOps experts community. We participate in the events held all over the world, including countries in North America, Europe, Middle East, and Asia. Our experts actively contribute to the well-known open source projects, leveraging Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu, Chef, Puppet, and many others.